Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide status bar in File Explorer in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to show or hide status bar in File Explorer in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Install and type here File Explorer. Open File Explorer. Click on View. Click on Option. Click on View. Now scroll down and here option Show Status Bar. So if you want to hide, so uncheck this box. After click on Apply, click on OK. And if you want to show, so again click on Options. After click on View. Now scroll down and type here. Check this box. Show Status Bar. Click on Apply. Click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to show or hide status bar in File Explorer in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.